entering Desert Hot Springs. And that is where the Chevron awning blew down. Right here. Right at the entrance to Desert Hot Springs. And that wind is picking up. Yeah. That's where we're at. At a stoplight. That's the only reason I can show you. That's why I live over there by those. Yeah. That's crazy, huh? The wind right here is just crazy, crazy. Alright, guys. That light's gonna change soon. That's where it happened. Not in Desert Hot Springs, but right at the entrance to Desert Hot Springs. That wind's crazy. Alright, guys. Peace out.